medical field is transforming with several ways of treatments. However, homeopathy maintains its importance and effectiveness. Unique features like targeting the root cause of disease with providing complete cure for the patient is something that has been the reason of homeopathy's popularity even today. Due to increasing awareness, a large number of patients are opting for homeopathy, from the common man to the elite class. Experts of homeopathy, on the basis of their research and meticulous and sincere efforts to help patients get remedy, are not only finding solutions for several serious chronic diseases and helping patients live a normal and healthy life, but also creating large-scale public awareness about this treatment. Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane, one of the most reputed homeopathy practitioners of the world and the founder and CEO of modern homeopathy, has been practicing for more than 2 decades and has been successfully curing numerous patients with serious and chronic diseases through his extensive research and innovative treatment methods. He is also helping patients to regain self-confidence and live a happy and healthy life. Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane started his medical career as a lecturer and did extensive researches on traditional treatment therapy and invented simple curative line of treatment named modern homeopathy for several incurable diseases and gave relief to numerous patients. His journey began around 1998 from Kolhapur, and steadily it spread to other parts of Maharashtra as well. Soon, patients from other states of India as well as patients from around the world started visiting him and consulting him for his treatment. No doubt, his innovative ways soon proved beneficiary for the patients. Modern homeopathy's curative line of treatment has come into existence through thorough research, vast experience, and a huge database of successful case histories of patients of Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane. His continuous efforts to excel and steadfast research for further innovations, searching solutions for the patients with the most complicated symptoms have been the reason for his success. Dr. Mane is continuously working towards inventing new, effective treatments and innovative medicines of various serious and pathologically advanced diseases like cancer, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, diabetes, asthma, arthritis, and other incurable diseases. Modern homeopathy is also designed to manufacture and produce medicines formulated and innovated by Dr. Mane. Medicines which are found both in liquid form and in globules and are easily consumable and highly result-oriented.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mrunmayee and welcome to your favorite talk show, Healthy Era with Modern Homeopathy. Nowadays, we talk and hear a lot about cancer. Cancer in itself is a threatening disease. And today we are going to talk about oral cancer. We are also going to talk about what treatment we have in modern homeopathy for oral cancer. I am glad today we have with us CEO of modern homeopathy, Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane. Hello sir and welcome to the show.
Hi everyone.
So first I would like to talk about cancer. What exactly cancer is?
Cancer is proliferative growth and which is uncontrolled growth. Body cannot control the growth. So that is cancer.
And what is oral cancer?
Oral cancer is an ulceroproliferative growth where ulcer forms and it turns into proliferation, cauliflower-like growth. So it is called as ulceroproliferative growth.
Okay.
That is oral cancer.
So ulcer is also there and
growth is also there. Yes, and growth is also there.
So what age group is commonly affected in oral cancer?
In oral cancers in India, mainly young age group is more affected. The causative factor for that is tobacco chewing, gutka chewing, plain betel nut is also a causative factor, and excessive alcohol consumption. That may be a causative factor.
And how do we diagnose that this is a oral cancer?
Oral cancer shows signs at first. It shows ulcer and proliferative growth in oral cavity, in tongue, in hard palate, soft palate or inside cheek or on gums.
Okay.
These are the signs of ulceration formations, and the symptoms may include severe pain from oral cavity, from tongue or from gums or from hard or soft palate from throat, or the pain traverses from ulcerative site towards throat or neck or towards head. The pains usually severe in nature. Sometimes there is bleeding, sometimes there is pus formation and discharge of pus from that particular ulcer.
Sir, so how do we diagnose this oral cancer?
Diagnosis of oral cancer depends on signs and symptoms and few pathological tests. Pathological test includes MDCT or MRI of oral cavity.
Okay.
It can show the ulceroproliferative growth. Then FNAC or deep biopsy of that particular ulcer.
So these are the diagnostic
These are the
tools.
diagnostic tools.
Sir, for oral cancer, what kind of conventional treatment do we have right now?
Conventional treatment is generally chemotherapy followed by surgery and followed by radiation or chemotherapy. But it cannot cure the disease. The recurrence is more often.
So in modern homeopathy, what kind of treatment we have today?
In modern homeopathy, we have homeopathic treatment, that is a curative line of treatment for the oral cancer and also all other cancers.
So what is the difference between conventional treatment and modern homeopathy?
Conventional treatment tries to suppress the disease, extent of disease, and then again it can reoccur and reinsurgence very fast. In modern homeopathy, we can treat, we can improve the immunity of the patient,
Okay.
so it can cure the cancer with oral drugs, with oral medications.
Yeah, that's amazing. Because in one thing, we have so many treatments like chemotherapy and radiotherapy, and in modern homeopathy, we just have oral medicines.
Yes, yes.
And we can cure the patient. That
Yes.
is the big difference.
And our treatment is based on, it is home based treatment. There is no need of hospitalization for that particular patient.
So how homeopathy exactly works in case of oral cancer?
Homeopathic remedies or drugs are immunomodulator.
Okay.
It increases the immunity of that particular person or body, and it will fight against cancer.
So this kind of treatment, the way you told that it increases immunity,
Yes.
so it is acting on a very much deeper level.
Yes, it is acts on each and every cells and tissue of the body, and it causes enhancement in immunity of that particular person, and the immunity fights against that particular cancer.
There must be difference in costing also.
In conventional treatment, cost is very much high for radiation, chemotherapy and surgery also. In homeopathic treatment, we can give the medicines orally, so the cost is very low and the patient can consume the medicines in their homes. So it is little bit easy for that patient.
It is very much easy
Yes.
to be at home and have medicines.
We don't advise hospitalization for that particular patient. So the cost is very much less under homeopathy.
So you have seen so many patients in all these years. You have seen so many patients of different types of cancers. So what is the general impression of yours regarding cancer and modern homeopathy?
Cancer is very deadly disease spreading all over the world. Addictions play a major role in all cancers, just like tobacco, betel nut chewing, pan chewing and alcohol. Modern homeopathy can prevent as well as treat the cancer very successfully.
So we will be knowing more about oral cancer and modern homeopathy after this short break. Welcome back to your favorite talk show, Healthy Era with Modern Homeopathy. Padmini Vakchora, a patient from Pune, was diagnosed with recurrent tongue cancer. She opted treatment of modern homeopathy. Let's see her reports and what she says about the treatment.
Padmini Vakchora, aged 57 years, lived in Pune. She had a lump on her tongue in 2017. During the examination, the experts said that the tumor was cancerous and that she had oral cancer.
मला 2012 पासून थोडा थोडा बोलण्याचा त्रास व्हायला लागला. 2012 मी नामांकित दवाखान्यात डॉक्टरांना दाखवलं. जखम झाली होती जिभेला थोडी, त्याच्यामुळं बोलायला त्रास होत होता. तेव्हा रिपोर्टमध्ये जरा कॅन्सरची शक्यता वाचली.
The tumor was surgically removed by a reputed specialist. Treated with chemo and radiation, it made a difference to them.
त्याच्यानंतर तिला काही म्हणजे त्रास जास्त झाला नाही, पण एक 4-5 वर्षानंतर साधारण तिला पुन्हा त्या जागी डिटेक्ट झाला तोंडाला कॅन्सर.
But in 2017, her illness reoccurred and the tumor reappeared. She was constantly suffering from sore throat and inability to speak.
2017ला तिला पुन्हा त्रास होऊ लागला. पुन्हा तोंडी येणं, तोंडाची आग होणं, बोलण्यामध्ये त्रास होणं, घशामध्ये आग होणं, हे तिला चालू झाले त्रास.
She started the modern homeopathic curative line of treatment in July 2017.
डॉक्टरांना जेव्हा आम्ही भेटलो त्यावेळेस त्यांनी आम्हाला काही टेस्ट करायला सांगितल्या, MRI, CT स्कॅन वगैरे. तर त्या केल्यावरती ते म्हटले की थोडंसं परत पहिल्यासारखा त्रास आहे, तो डिटेक्ट झालेला आहे. तर डॉक्टर म्हटले की तुम्ही आपली औषधं चालू करा, तुम्हाला पूर्णपणे बरं होईल आणि पूर्णपणे फरक पडेल.
Her tongue pain subsided after starting treatment. The sore throat stopped. She began to speak fluently and was able to eat properly.
आता माझ्या आईला काहीही त्रास होत नाही. तिचं रुटीन चालू आहे व्यवस्थित. तोंडाची आग होणं, घशाची आग होणं, हे जे काही तिला त्रास व्हायला लागले होते ते पूर्णपणे आता सध्या बंद झालेले आहेत.
According to an April 2018 report, her tongue cancer has disappeared.
मी माझी नेहमीची कामं व्यवस्थित करते आणि मला म्हणजे असं जाणवतच नाही की मला जे असं होतं. त्यांच्या औषधाने मला पुष्कळ फरक पडला.
ह्या माध्यमातून एकच सांगू शकते की ज्यांना कोणाला हे त्रास आहे त्यांनी नक्कीच विजयकुमार माने यांच्या क्लिनिकला भेट देऊन त्यांची ट्रीटमेंट सुरू करावी, कारण खरंच ह्याच्यामध्ये काहीही त्रास होत नाही.
Padmini Vakchora has now been able to get back to her work again. She no longer has any problems and she's living a happy life with modern homeopathic curative line of treatment.
Padmini Vakchora is totally cured of her recurrent tongue cancer. I am curious to know more details about this case. We will talk about it right after the break. Welcome back after the break. You're watching your favorite health series, Healthy Era with Modern Homeopathy. In last segment, we saw Padmini Vakchora sharing her experience of the treatment. Now, we will talk more about this case. So, we are really curious to know more about this case.
Yes. Let's see a case study of patient Padmini Vakchora. She is 57 years old female, diagnosed with tongue cancer in 2012. Reports confirms diagnosis of tongue cancer. Patient had been undergone surgery, chemotherapy and radiation.
Oh.
Patient was asymptomatic for 4 years, but after 4 years, in 2017, patient developed recurrence at the same site on tongue, complaining of burning, difficulty in talking, pain in oral cavity, heaviness of tongue with slurred speech and ulcerative lesion over tongue. Padmini Vakchora visited Modern Homeopathy Clinic on July 2017 with complaints as stated. She comes with CT scan report dated 24th June 2017, which showed recurrence of tongue cancer. Size of the lesion was 2.6 into 1.7 centimeter on anterolateral aspect of tongue with enlarged neck lymph nodes approximately 2.3 centimeter, 1.7 centimeter into 1.3 centimeter.
Okay.
We started modern homeopathic treatment from July 2017. Within 15 days, pain has been reduced, burning reduced, patient started eating, able to move the tongue. In February 18, after examination of patient, we did not found any palpable lymph nodes on the neck region. Hence, we advise to do MRI neck and oral cavity. MRI done on 30th of March 2018 showed no evidence of mass lesion in tongue and oral cavity, no any enlarged lymph nodes in neck, no evidence of disease or no evidence of cancer. Within 8 months of modern homeopathic treatment, patient got completely cured. Patient recovered fast within short period of time without any side effects, any surgical intervention, any sort of hospitalization, with the help of OPD basis modern homeopathic treatment.
Wow, that's really amazing, because it is unbelievable that a patient who is having recurrent tongue cancer comes with such symptoms, and all symptoms have gone on, all reports have also come to normal.
Yes.
So when we talk about this oral cancer, so in this case, I'm not sure, but in general you said that the addiction, tobacco chewing, is the main reason.
Yes.
So in our country, tobacco is available freely anywhere. So what can you say about it?
I would like to give advice to all the Indians that prevention is always better than cure. One should avoid tobacco chewing, betel nut chewing, pan chewing, and alcohol consumption. One should avoid over-the-counter drugs like painkillers, antibiotics, etc. And if you notice any non-healing ulcer or cancer anywhere in the body, you can come towards modern homeopathy. We are always here.
So we saw in this case also, and in many cancer patients, there is chances of recurrence.
Yes.
So with modern homeopathy, can we prevent this recurrence?
Yes, we can, sure, we can, under modern homeopathic treatment, we can prevent recurrence or chances of recurrence.
Okay, and as you said, if we take modern homeopathy treatment, we can definitely prevent the recurrence.
Yes.
But what are the chances that after few years, after finishing this treatment, what are the chances that after some time, the patient will again get cancer?
If patient take treatment in prescribed period, then chances are very less of reoccurrence.
So when can we say that patient is totally cured of cancer?
We can see reports before treatment, during treatment and after treatment, and symptoms before, during and after treatment. Symptoms also diminishes, and in reports there will be no cancer.
So both the things, symptoms
Yes.
and reports.
Yes.
So can we prevent the cancer with the help of modern homeopathy?
Yes, surely we can prevent the cancer with the help of modern homeopathy. Patient should have take the treatment for prescribed period, and surely we can prevent the cancer.
And can patient lead a healthy and normal life after treatment of modern homeopathy?
Yes, patient can live a healthy and modern life. We can evaluate the patient every 3 to 5 years. And we
Okay.
say that patient is totally cured. So he can live healthy and normal life.
Okay, so evaluation is 3 to 5 years.
Yes, evaluation is also very important. We can evaluate after 3 years or 5 years.
Okay. So cancer is labeled as incurable. But after seeing case study of Padmini Vakchora, after seeing her reports and after seeing her experience, we are really amazed, and we can say that yes, cancer can be cured.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experience and sharing the knowledge with us. If you have any further queries about cancer, if you want to know more about modern homeopathy, you can contact the phone numbers seen on your screen. Here we take leave for today. Goodbye and take care.
Our address, Modern Homeopathy Research and Treatment Center, E Ward near Gita Temple, Kawalanaka, Kolhapur 416003. For counseling and guidance, contact at our centers below: Kolhapur, Dadar, Kalwa, Thane, Dhankawadi, Pune, Pimpri, Chinswar, Nashik, Aurangabad, Nagpur, Solapur, Goa, Madgaon and Mapsa, Karnataka, Bangalore and Hubli, Telangana, Hyderabad. For counseling and guidance, give missed call at 70388-33881. You can also contact us on 9730339009 or at 9372728009. Our toll-free number is 1800-121-8009. Our website www.modernhomeopathy.com. You can also email us at contact@modernhomeopathy.com.